Hello students, in this part we will discuss on pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. This gland is present in sphenoid bone, which is present in skull sella tussica. This gland is present in sphenoid bone of skull called sella tussica. It is known as master gland as well as hypophysis. It is a small red gray color gland. This gland contains two parts. Adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis is also known as anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary. And second part is neurohypophysis. This is known as posterior pituitary. Firstly, we discussed on adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis. It is the frontal part of pituitary gland. It contains two parts. Adenohypophysis also consists two parts. Pars distalis and second one is pars intermedia. Pars intermedia. This pars intermedia is merged with the pars distalis. Pars intermedia is merged with the pars distalis. Adenohypophysis comprise 75% of pituitary hormones. Adenohypophysis comprises 75% of pituitary hormones. Pars distalis secretes GH growth hormone ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone, PRL, prolactin hormone. These are the hormones which are secreted by pars peristalsis. Only single hormone is secreted by the pars intermedia, which is known as MSH. Pars intermedia secretes only one hormone, MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone. We will discuss on all these hormones and what is the role of the hormones GHH, GH, PRL, ACTH, TSH, FSH and LH. Firstly, we discuss on growth hormone. Growth hormone. This hormone is also called somatotropin, one hormone which is secreted by hypothalamus, that is somatostatin. But this is somatotropin. Somatotropin is made up of two words, soma and trophic. Soma means within and trophic means nourishment. Soma means within body and trophic means nourishment. It means this hormone is responsible for the growth of the body. It means this hormone is responsible for the growth of the body. If the secretion of growth hormone before puberty and after puberty remains same, means at a adequate amount, then the height of the person will remain normal. But due to lack or excess amount secretion of growth hormones, there are some symptoms can be seen. First one is dwarfism. Dwarfism means the growth hormone secretion before puberty is very less. It means the secretion of growth hormone is very less before puberty. So the person of this type, it means in the person in which the growth hormone is secreted at less amount before puberty. So this type of person is known as midgut. Is called midgut. One more situation, acromegalia. Acromegalia means in this situation, the secretion of growth hormone before puberty and after puberty is less. This type of person is normal body, but the height is very less, short hand, face and fingers. These are very intelligent. In this situation, the secretion of growth hormone is less, or you can say that deficiency of growth hormone before and after the puberty. So the normal body features but short, or you can say that small face, hands and fingers. These are very intelligent. And this condition is known as acromegalia. If the growth hormone before puberty is very high, then that condition is known as gigantism. Gigantism. If the secretion of growth hormone is very high before puberty, then the person of this type has long bone and is very tough. This situation is the growth hormone secretion before puberty is high, but after puberty normal. But one more condition, before and after puberty growth hormone is secreted by excess amount, and that condition is known as acromegaly. Acromegaly. In this, the secretion of growth hormone before and after puberty is very high. This type of person has long hands, nose, jaw, etc. These are the conditions when the deficiency or excess amount of secretion of growth hormone. The next one hormone is prolactin hormone, PRL. PRL. It stands for prolactin hormone. This hormone is responsible for the growth of mammary glands as well as production of milk. This hormone is responsible for the growth of mammary glands and production of milk. The other hormone is FSH. FSH and LH both are also known as gonadotrophin hormones. Gonadotrophin hormones. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, in males help in spermatogenesis. It means formation of sperm. At the time of formation of sperm, the FSH make the follicle stimulating hormones, and this is helping in the males during the spermatogenesis. It means formation of sperm. And in female, this hormone helps in ovarian follicle as well as production of estrogen. This is the role of FSH. LH, luteinizing hormone. In males, this hormone is also called ACSI or ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. Interstitial cell stimulating hormone. It means this hormone stimulating the seminiferous tubules, or as well as showing on the Leydig cell to produce the androgen. This hormone stimulating the Leydig cell to produce androgen. Male hormone androgen is known as testosterone, and in females the main production of estrogen under the LH. In females, this hormone is responsible for ovulation due to the production of estrogen. The next one is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. This hormone stimulates the thyroid gland to release the thyroxine hormone. This stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete the thyroxine hormone. Next one is ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. This hormone stimulates the adrenal cortex to secrete glucocorticoid. This hormone stimulates the adrenal cortex, it means the outer part, to secrete the glucocorticoid. And minerals. These are the hormones secreted by the anterior pituitary, and one more part of anterior pituitary is pars intermedia. The pars intermedia actually merges with the pars distalis, but it secretes one hormone, that is MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormones. Pars intermedia. This is the part of anterior pituitary which merge with pars distalis. Only the single hormone secreted by this part that is MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone. It contains melanin hormone. This hormone is responsible for the skin color. This hormone is responsible for the skin color, or you can say that skin pigment. This is the function of anterior pituitary. And the next part of anterior pituitary is posterior pituitary. Posterior pituitary is also known as neurohypophysis. Neurohypophysis. This is also called posterior pituitary. Although it doesn't produce any hormones, but it secretes two hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin, which comes through the hypothalamus to the posterior pituitary. Actually, this part doesn't produce any hormones, but the two hormones such as oxytocin and vasopressin, which comes this part through neurohypophyseal from hypothalamus gland. This part is also known as pars nervosa. This part is also called pars nervosa. What is the role of these hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin? First one is oxytocin. This is responsible for contraction of uterus at the time of childbirth, as well as contraction of mammary duct to secrete the milk from the nipples. So, on behalf of this act, it is also known as a birth hormone. So, this is called birth hormone or milk ejaculation hormone. And the next one is vasopressin. Vasopressin. This hormone is also known as ADH, anti-diuretic hormone. Anti-diuretic hormone. It is responsible for reabsorption of water through the urine in DCT, distal convoluted tubules. In lack of this hormone, the person will suffer from diabetes insipidus. It means lack of water in the body. Excess amount of urine is secreted, so dehydration can take place. Or dehydration. The person is goes to the urination. Clear? This is the function of pituitary glands, posterior as well as anterior.